Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsie. Hi, welcome to this video. Today I'm just going to chat with you about the metal scribing tool produced by Encaustic Art the Original. The metal scribing tool can be found in your Encaustic Art Starter Set. If not, they are available as a separate entity. It's a brass bar that's been shaped. One end is like a pencil and the other end has cutting blades. A small one which is on my left side and the larger one which is on my right side. So initially I'm just going to put my initials using the pen style. There you go, that's my initials. And using the longer of the cutting blades, I'm just going to make a pathway over here, and this is just a basic covered piece of encaustic card. Let's go back over that. This is just to give you a few little ideas, because there will be more videos that will feature this tool in due course. That just gives you a little path. I'll just knock away those loose bits of wax. Then the shorter part of the shorter blade, we can literally clear areas of wax. Say if we'd made a building or something like that, we could clear areas away, giving light into the picture, giving the appearance of a window or something like that. Perhaps if you've done something like a C-type environment, you might want to scrape something in there that looks a little bit like a fish. There's various things you can do using this scraping bar, and that's non-heated, so you don't need any power to be able to use that tool at all. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.